So stay tuned. I didn't want to edit. I really didn't want to edit. Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to today's lesson. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Marie Spencer and I'm a nail artist, educator and also a creative. So I just wanted to come back on camera. I know it's been an age. I think it's been about 2 years now since I uploaded any sort of footage for you guys, and I'm so sorry about that. Things took a little bit of a whirlwind turn for me a couple of years ago. So yeah, that made it hard for me to concentrate on creating any sort of content for you guys. So sorry about that. Thank you to everybody who has stuck with me and my 200 and odd subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me and enjoying the videos over and over again that are already in the channel. But as I say, it's been a couple of years. I think the last footage that I uploaded was probably around 2 years ago, and at the time we were in lockdown in the UK, so I had lots of time to create content, but then obviously lockdowns ended, we go back to work and it all went a little bit haywire from there onwards. I was working in the salon. I thought it'd be quite quiet coming back to work, but no, it was full force and it's not really stopped since, which is, you know, so thankful that I am busy. But as I say, it doesn't leave much time for being creative. On top of work, unfortunately, both my parents became terminally ill, so myself and my sister became their primary carers, which what small time I had left to create anything for you guys, obviously I went and took care of my parents, made sure that their health was taken care of, along with my sister and my brother-in-law. So yeah, it's been a journey. Unfortunately, we lost Mum around about 15 months ago, so this past year and a half has just been emotionally, mentally draining. It's been a tough time for us all, but hopefully I have the headspace now to create some more content for you guys. So thank you for sticking with me, and as a thank you, I'm going to release a new tutorial that's only been available to my email subscribers in the past. So I'm going to put a link somewhere, wherever it goes in here, for you to get that. It's based on a realistic eye with a pop art twist. So if you want to check that out, it's all in real time rather than edited down. So if you want to fast forward in places, then please feel free to do so. But hopefully you'll enjoy that video. Yeah, it's a little old now. I created it a little time back, but hopefully it'll still be relevant for you. So go and check that out. So moving forward, what have I been up to recently? Well, I got myself because I spend a lot of time over at Dad's house now looking after Dad, so I was feeling as though I was getting the headspace back to be a little bit more creative. I did have to hang my competing hat up, just because I just didn't have that sort of creative flow going. You know, my head was just understandably a little bit foggy. So I haven't really been that creative over this past couple of years, just really you know, getting through the day in the salon and then cracking on with life in general. So I've not really done much to show you, unfortunately. What I did do, round about, oh crikey, probably about 9 months ago, I bought myself a new iPad, because I thought, well, I go over to Dad's, I make his tea, he watches his TV on an evening, and then I sit and watch that TV with him, do a couple of chores, that type of thing, and then help him to bed. But I wanted to use that time a little bit more sort of productively. So I bought myself a new iPad, and the idea was to create art on my iPad with my iPad and my gorgeously sleek white pencil. That didn't happen for the first few months. I sat and watched Netflix, which was not the idea. But I think I've got my head around it now. I've downloaded a program called Procreate, and I'm just trying to get to grips with that program now, and just trying to work out, I'm watching a lot of YouTube videos to try and work out how to best use that program to create some art, because that's what I love doing. I can't take my nail supplies over to Dad's because of the fumes that that creates. Dad has issues with his lungs, so it's not something that I want him to be around. So I can't do that. So I thought, buy myself an iPad, create some art, and then that should sort of satisfy the creative in me, but we shall see. So wish me luck with that. So because I bought the iPad, obviously, I thought just recently, now that I'm kind of getting to grips with the program and creating some art on here, it would be a great time to invest in something that I could use to do things with the art. I don't know yet. I'm just kind of working it out, really. Just trying to sort of work my way through it and see what I want to do with it and all that kind of thing. So I decided, well, I didn't decide really. My nail friend Rebecca bought a Cricut just recently, and obviously as soon as I knew that, I was like, ooh, I might want a Cricut. So what did I do? Yeah, I bought a Cricut. So I've got this huge parcel here. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. So I've got a Cricut machine, which I've not opened because I was waiting till today, because I knew that I'd have a little bit of time to get this open, really digest it and see what's in there, and again get my head around it. So I thought we could do that together if you're interested in that. And we'll open this up and see what's inside, and see what we can do with it. So stay tuned. I shall get that. I'm going to move you back. You're on a tripod at the moment, so I'm going to move you back, and hopefully I've got the space in my salon to show you this. So stay tuned and we'll have a look. Okay, exciting. Okay, so there we go, and there it is opened. It's quite gorgeous, isn't it? It's grey, just my colour, suits the salon, it's beautiful. Watch this action. So you open that up, and that just pops open. just the little things, isn't it? I absolutely love that. I think we'll pop that up there and pop that down there. So with it came with the normal manuals and warranty and safety gubbins and all that type of thing, so that's all in there. And then also some sort of starting materials, so there is some smart vinyl, transfer tape, iron-on, smart iron-on, long-lasting, don't know what that is, and I think that's it. So yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with that. I'm looking forward to seeing what I can create on there. I've got a few ideas banding around in my head, but yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it and seeing what I can come up with on there, just so that I can use my art productively. But yeah, really excited. So that's it for today. I'm going to wrap things up now and get cleaned up, and then over to Dad's to sort him out, make his tea, all that kind of good stuff. So hopefully next time you see me, I'm going to aim to upload something at least once a month for you guys, and I do want it to be something that's useful to you, so some sort of tutorial or watch me work, or you know, that type of thing. Maybe some footage of me working with my clients. You know, let me know what you want to see from me. If you're interested in what I'm going to come up with my beautiful new machine and my iPad, yeah, just let me know what you want to see from me, and I will endeavour to deliver that for you. But yeah, I shall see you soon. All right, take care of yourselves, and I will hopefully see you very soon. Take care. Bye.